The name is Bond. Steel Bond. Welcome back to the channel. Don't worry, it's a burner. It's not a real pew-pew. I wouldn't do that with a real pew-pew. Guys, Merry Christmas. Linda?
Merry Christmas, everyone.
It's Christmas here by us today. We just came out of a night shift and I decided let me make this video for you guys quickly so I can keep you safe during the New Year's. Woo, it's been hectic, eh? Guys, so far, and lots of crashes on the road. Woo. I don't understand people, but in any case. Alrighty then, I just want to jump in with this one after Christmas now. When all the gifts are given and everyone is happy and everyone's got a smile on their face and your wife loves you. Just a joke. That's not good. Any case, don't leave your boxes out on the curb, eh? There by the dustbins, like your 100-inch TV, your 100-inch monitors, your new PlayStation boxes and what. You basically just telling the people there that want to make problems, oh, this is where we need to go for some stock. You understand? So rather dispose of them properly, you know what I mean? Take it to a dump or something, eh? Or a recycle plant or something. Don't leave your boxes outside.
Cut them up into small pieces.
Yeah, all that.
Throw it in a bin.
Yeah. Alright, so very important, hey, don't leave it on the curb. Don't advertise that you got stuff. People will go be fetching your stuff. Alright. Alright, so, okay guys. So we're going into the New Year's. Please, like always, plan sober rides. Don't drink and drive, please guys. Sorry if my my voice, I'm a little sick, man. I've got a little bit of flu. But I'm taking meds and I'm taking everything to get better and what. But it's that time. I think it's the night shifts, out, in and out the cold vehicle the whole time. Or a hot vehicle. Alright, when you're going out there in public, alright, be aware in crowds, watch your belongings, keep it in your front pockets, eh? Like I've told you already. It's that time, guys, it's that time. New Year's, they don't take off. The things only calm down here by what?
About the 15th.
By the 15th, when school starts, when everyone's back at home and they know things are back to normal. When it's your normal petty crime and what. Okay, make sure that your phones are fully charged, please. So that if you need to phone someone and whatever, if you need to do the WhatsApps and what is, so that your phone is fully charged, okay? If you have to drive, park in well-lit areas where a lot of vehicles are and where security guards that's looking after the car and what. Give them something, at least you know your car will be safe when you get back, okay? Alright, like always, don't leave valuables inside there where everyone can see. Oh, I want this jacket. Or, ooh, this is a nice pair of tackies. Even though the tackies won't fit them, they will break in and steal it, hey? These people are stupid, really. Alright, please guys, look out for pedestrians. It's the festive season now. It's going into New Year's. People are like a getwala, so they just walk. They've got a sock with the world. They want to meet Jesus. So don't be the one to send them there. You know what I mean? Right, Nonos? Yes. Sorry guys, I've got a weird sense of humor. That's just the way I am. If you, it's either that or go silently insane. Excuse me. Excuse this video. I don't know how it's going to come out. Okay. At parties and events, if you're going to an event or you're going to a party or whatever, please stay together and agree on a place where to meet each other if you do get separated. Getting separated is easy, especially if the place is packed. All right. Don't leave your drinks unattended, ladies and gentlemen. Take your drink with you, okay, wherever you go. If you can't, give it to a friend. Let them watch it for you. Don't leave your drinks unattended. We've covered this 100 times already. Okay, and then protect your belongings, eh? Keep it in your front pockets because people just bump into you and they slide that phone right out of your bum. All right. Yeah, I need some more medication in news. Oh, I can feel it. It's like hectic. All right, limit your alcohol intake, hey? All right, and eat something in between, guys. Don't just pooza. And forget to eat something. All right, it will make you feel better if you do vomit or whatever. There's something that's coming out. All right, so eat snacks in between. All right, limit your social media in real time, eh? Don't tell the whole world where you are exactly at that right time, because people are weird and you get weirdos out there. So yeah, never do that in real time, okay? So if you posting something, you're already at some place else. All right. Okay, if you're at home and you're hosting a party, eh? Know where your fire equipment is, guys. Know your fire extinguishers. Know where they are. And keep them in the areas, you know what I mean? If you do need one, you can just grab and... You never know, you might get that one friend that gets to buck wild and burn something down. So, alright, test your smoke alarms and keep loose rugs off the floor and trip hazards and what. There's nothing worse than I think you're having a nice New Year party. You're having fun, you're listening to Kurt Darren or whatever you're listening to, and when it's tripped up, head open, stitches, you'll be spending your New Year's in hospital. That's not lekker. All right, then I know this one is, I think it's against the law, fireworks.
Yes.
All right, that's a bomber.
There is dedicated places.
Yeah, I love fireworks. I love it. All right, I can understand not in residential areas, but then take it out there into the bundus. You know what I mean? It's beautiful when it makes it feels magical. But people don't like it and the animals don't like it. So does Cape Town have a fireworks show this year?
I think normally in the waterfront.
All right, so don't let children handle fireworks, eh? And don't go fire off your pew. Yeah, just after 12. Happy New Year! Dwa, dwa, dwa. All right. Not that I say you would, but please don't do that. What goes up must come down, eh? All right, keep your pets secure. Leave your gates closed so that when you're busy partying and having the time of your life and it's just, the pets don't escape, okay? So make sure that your pets are taken care of, your doggies and your cats and your what's. Okay, then guys, this is a no-brainer. Keep the alcohol out of the reach of children, all right? They can do that one day when they 18, 19, when they can have their own six-pack. keep it out of reach of children, all right? Okay. And if your friends get lekker twala there by you and it's you all having a good time, please don't let them drink and drive. Let someone come and fetch them or let them sleep over if you've got space. Alrighty then. I'm feeling bad and this on Christmas and I'm working tonight. Damn it. Alright. In general knowledge, guys, please don't moor each other. It's New Year's, it's Christmas and New Year's. Please don't pop. No one is a punching bag. Take your frustrations out on something else. Please love each other, look after each other, and don't moor each other, okay?
Yeah, the YouTuber's gonna pew.
But hey, this is South Africa, baby. This is the only place where you can get a braai and a jol and a fight all in one dinges. So I'm not saying everyone is like that, but please don't invite your friends to moor them. All right, guys. Then please be safe out there. Look after each other. And I hope you guys have an awesome New Year. Hey, Linda?
Yes. I just want to say something quickly, adding to safety in the New Year. I know after New Year, everybody's lazy, but there's work that needs to be done, like gardening and stuff. Guys, please be very careful of hiring someone just off the street. Frikkie comes knocking at your door asking, can I work in your garden? He's got his own equipment, everything. Do not do that. Got a new thing going around now. They come as gardeners or painters or whatever. They walk around, they knock to see who's home. Broad daylight, they break in.
Yeah.
We have that at the moment. these two guys going around
Yeah.
asking for work, and then your house get burglared later in the day.
Yeah,
So
so
please be careful. I know nobody wants to work in the garden, and rather get somebody or ask your friends or your family, listen, do you have a gardener or
someone that you trust.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Don't
Please.
just take any Jan Trapp and his maatjie off the street. That's where most of the problems come. All right, I know your heart is still feeling festive and you want to help this dude because he's looking for work, but you can't trust anyone that you just got off the street, okay? So make sure that it's a known gardener. It's someone that has used them before, that there's a track record. Listen here, this guy is awesome. So the guy didn't come work and the next day I've got broken into. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people that come out, they pretend to be gardeners and what. The next day, broken into when you're gone. All right, so Linda, you got anything else?
that's all.
All right, boys and girls, from our home to your home, Happy New Year. And yeah.
Are we gonna take a little bit of a break?
Yeah.
Just till maybe till the 5th or so.
Yeah, we're going to Anne's and Regan on the weekend. Hey, we're going to
Okay,
Joburg,
yeah.
guys, again. Man, I'm looking so forward to it. I miss them. Hey,
Yeah, me too.
Regan and Anne's are the best. Thank you, Ballum Orcas, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, remember, guys, if you need anything, if you need peeps, if you need holsters, if you need bags, if you need a burner, if you need pepper spray, if you need anything, ammo, camo, you name it, go look at Ballum Orcas' website there. They've got everything, and they've got something nice that I can't say now. I'm gonna go down the week and I'm gonna ask Regan to show me so I can show you guys. Wow, I think they are the only guys that have it in South Africa at this moment.
Is it?
Yeah, it's awesome. I can't wait to share that one with you, but I want to show you it. You know, I don't want to tell you it's this and when I can't show you what it looks like. So, alright guys, please take care of each other, be safe out there, and remember, we love you, peace out, and we'll see you on the next one. Damn it,
Bye-bye.
let me drink my meds. Woo! Bye bye guys. Oh. Get it done.